Hello friends, in my previous video I have already discussed in detail how to duplicate each elements of an input array in MATLAB. Okay, now let us make it more dynamic, and this program is replicate each element of a row vector with not a number, also a replicate each element of a row vector a constant number of times. Okay, in our previous case we have seen just making two times or duplicating. Now replicating n times. Okay, suppose n equal to 2, then the output should be, if input array is 1 2 3, output array should be 1 1 2 2 3 3. So those are duplicated basically. Suppose n equal to 0, and if a array input is 2 1, output should be 0 because we don't want to print anything. But suppose n equal to 3, then 1 1 1, then 2 2 2, then 3 3 3 for input combination of 1 2 3. Like that you have to write. Okay, so very simple program. If you have seen the previous video where I have explained in detail how to duplicate each elements of array, you can clearly understand. So let's directly go to the program. So see, the code can be written like this: x equal to input, enter the array. So first let us take the input array, then n equal to input, enter the number up to which you want to replicate. Then define one empty array. Then for I equal to 1 colon length of x, that is it will start from index 1 to length of x, it will go m equal to x of I. So in m variable we are storing x of I, that particular array element. Then for I equal to 1 colon n, basically we have to replicate n times, so that we are using this nested for condition, and y equal to ym, just we are storing in this internal for loop, in this external for loop. Let us check. Control A, evaluate selection, enter the array. Suppose let me give 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, click enter, enter the numbers. Suppose let me give 2. See, and now if you write capital Y, see what output you are getting: 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. So this is what about duplicating. But now suppose you want to make triplet like that: 7 8 9 4. Let me take, enter the number. Suppose let me give 4 times. Suppose you want to replicate. So what you will get? Suppose you write capital Y and enter. See, 7 7 7 7, 8 8 8 8, 9 9 9 9, 4 4 4 4. That is, all the elements are replicated 4 times. You can check once more. Suppose let me give 4 and 5, and suppose each element has to be replicated 6 times. See, now you write capital Y. So 4 4 4 4 4 4. 4 is printed 6 times, then 5 5 5 5 5 5. So in this way replication will work. Last, for not a number also, let us check whether it is working or not. 4 5 n a n, not a number, and 10. See, enter. Suppose let me replicate for 3 times. Now write capital Y, enter. See, 4 4 4 5 5 5, not a number, not a number, not a number, 10 10 10. So our code is perfectly working in MATLAB. Now suppose you want to implement same program in Java. How you can implement? See, as I always explain also in my previous videos, that you understand algorithm clearly. If you are able to understand that, you can implement same program or same algorithm in MATLAB or Java or C++ or Python, whatever. In all the programming language, algorithm of a certain program is same, just syntax will differ. See, here let us check whether it is happening for this case also or not. So first we are taking two inputs. So what we have done here, we have created this scanner class to take input. You can use buffer reader also, no issue in that. I have taken scanner class because we have to write lesser amount of lines in this scanner class, right? So first take this scanner class from the util package in Java. Then class, I have defined any name. You can give your arbitrary name. GHIN I have mentioned. Okay, then public static void main string args, obviously. Then scanner obj equal to new scanner system.in. This will create the object in the scanner class. Then system.out.println, enter the array length. Here in MATLAB you can directly take any array length, dynamically it will adjust. But if you want to work with arrays in Java, you must have to mention array length first. Otherwise you have to use linked list, which will work dynamically. But to make problem simpler, I have used array length, that is using array. Then int l equal to obj.next in. Then int a equal to new int l. As you know that new keyword is used to create new object. So why we have used this here? Because in Java array is also treated as object. Okay, then we are taking input here. So for int I equal to 0, I less than l, I plus plus, system.out.println, enter the number, a of I equal to obj.next in. This corresponds to this line, that is x equal to input, enter the array. Okay, now obviously in Java we have to write more lines in compared to MATLAB. Now what we are taking, we are taking the number of times we want to replicate. So the system.out.println, enter the number of duplicacy, and then int r equal to obj.next in. Whatever we have defined in MATLAB here n, here it is r. Then m equal to 0, op equal to 0 we have defined. Okay, why like so two inputs, just now you will understand. So first see, here we are storing directly the replicated elements, right? Similarly here, if we want to store, first we should define the array length. Array length, suppose there are n is the array length, you want to replicate each elements r times, so obviously array length will be l into r. So that I have defined int u equal to new int l into r. Now what we have done, this part observe carefully, this part and this part of the MATLAB is same. For int I equal to 0, I less than l, I plus plus, like here we have defined for I equal to 1 colon length of x. Just difference is in MATLAB array index start from 1 and in Java array index start from 0. Then m equal to x of I, here we have defined u of op equal to m. Here we have defined m equal to a of I, we have defined like here m equal to x of I. Then see, internal for loop we have applied for I equal to 1 colon n. Similarly here we have applied for int p equal to 0, p less than r, p plus plus. Here what we have done here, for storing y equal to ym we have directly done in MATLAB. In Java u of op is equal to m, so that I have defined here op, because in MATLAB array index start from 0. So in the first iteration u of 0 is m, then op equal to op plus 1, like that counter will go on. Now one bracket close for this internal for and one more bracket close for this external for, right? Now system.out.println, the replicated matrix is, it will show the replicated matrix for int I equal to 0, I less than l cross r or l star r or l into r, because our new matrix, that is u, is of length l into r. System.out.print u of I, you can easily understand if you give some space also. Okay, so this is how you enter the number of duplicacy. Here I have written wrong. Enter the number, let me write, enter the number you want to replicate, that is better, replicate. Okay, so this will sound good. So that basically this r object, this r variable will store how many times I want to replicate my number. Okay, this is simple program, same concept I have applied in MATLAB and Java, right? Now let us check whether our code is working or not. So go to command prompt, then cd Java, then Java c ghin dot Java. Okay, so no error, Java ghin. So now let us check. Enter the array length. Suppose let me give 4. Enter the number. Suppose 1 4 7 91. I have given randomly. Enter the number you want to replicate. Suppose let me replicate each number 3 times. I have taken arbitrarily. See, the replicated matrix is 1 1 1, then 4 4 4, then 7 7 7, then 91 91 91. 3 times each replication is done. Now suppose you want to change this. Suppose let me take some array length of 2, enter the number 1 and 8, enter the number you want to replicate, suppose 6 times. So see, here you can see 1 1 1 1 1 1 8 8 8 8 8 8. Okay, so this Java code also perfectly working. Okay, this is all for my this video. I'll post the link in the description where you can get all the 2 codes. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding the algorithm, please go through once of my previous video where I have explained in detail how you can duplicate each elements of a row. Okay, this is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.